The truth can bring you very strong, difficult catalysts, but it's a life you are choosing to learn the straightest and most narrow path to become the best possible human being.
Because if you're viewing all of life for comfort,
Mm-hmm.
and I don't want to make this decision because I don't want bad things to happen to me, I don't want to not have money, I don't want to go through a divorce and the stigma of that. If you're living comfort all the time, that's just pure ego.
That's all it is.
You might as well go to Krispy Kreme donuts and just slam 2 dozen.
All you need is a flat surface on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Your arm is a pillow and some
Yeah.
shelter above your head. You will always find food. There will always be people to help, and you will never lose your identity. All of your strength,
so good,
everything you need for provision and nourishment is going to come from you internally. And all the other things in the material world, when you start making these choices that are truly the best ones to make, difficult things will arise, but there will be great, great pay in emotional, physical, and non-material senses that come back to you.
And I like this part. This is cool. You're going to like this. Like she says, I don't even feel the same way about this guy anymore. We don't even live together. I thought this was cool because we work on different yachts.
Okay.
So they're both sailors.
Mm-hmm.
So you're not even living with the person.
Yeah.
So you've already gone past the point. Your higher self's already gone past the point where you don't even want to live with it. If you can't stand the person that you're living with,
and you have
that's
to go on